Turn off the ignition, pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 2 holding screws on the airbox flange. Lift the flange and free it from its holding studs. Take out the air filter. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Ensure that the rubber washer is correctly placed in position. Put the flange flat on the filter to begin with. The plastic tabs should be in front of their studs, then push the flange to the left. Once in position, screw the 2 screws back in place with a Phillips screwdriver. Operation completed.